So hey guys, this video is kind of a follow-up to my previous video in which I was showing you how to control the fan speed of your laptop to prevent it from overheating. So here in this video, I'm going to be taking a different approach because for some people, the control for the fan was disabled by the manufacturer. So they didn't get the option to change the fan speed. This fan icon was not visible in their application. So what we are going to be trying to do here is we are going to be changing the clock speed of our CPU so that it doesn't get hot enough and we don't need to turn that fan on. So if in case you're not able to control your fan or your fan speed is disabled or your fan is broken, this is the way to go. So here we will be using an application called ft.Throttlestop. So in this application, this looks like this. This is the ft.Throttlestop window. So what we are going to be doing here is, first of all, if you don't want to mess with any of this, you can just click on this disable turbo icon, this checkbox. Just make sure this is ticked and you're done. So Intel has a feature called turbo boost. So if the CPU has a base frequency of 2.5 gigahertz, then if it has the thermal headroom and if it has the power necessary, the electricity, then it will boost up to 3.1 or whatever is the boost frequency of your particular system. So when it does that, it will generate way more heat. So by disabling turbo boost, it doesn't boost up to the turbo frequency. So here you can see 2.48 gigahertz. This is the base frequency because my turbo boost is disabled. But if I want it to turbo boost, then see if I uncheck this tick box, then it will, you can see it is boosting up to the 3.08, which is basically 3.1 gigahertz. Now, as you saw over here that my CPU temperature is just, totally skyrocketed as soon as my turbo boost was enabled. So because I'm there are several applications running in the background, and and also the RTX voice application is also taxing the GPU. So all of that running at the same time is going to be increasing the temperature. So this is why you need to disable this turbo boost icon. And so this is overall all your throttle stop. This is your entire throttle stop window. And so what you have to do is just make sure you have disabled this. You have check this disable turbo box. Make sure that this button over here is turn off. So if it says turn off, it means the application is turned on. So if you will click on this, then it will turn off throttle stop. So if it is saying turn off, then that means it is turned on. So and another thing that you need to keep in mind is that you make sure to click on this save icon every time you make any changes to this. So, and also that every time you open up your system, you will have to turn this application on, and then it minimizes to the tray. If you want to make it even cooler, if you want to make it run even cooler, then open this FIVR box and then click on this unlock CPU core checkbox at the top, and then this enable this unlock adjustable voltage. Now reduce this to minus 50 millivolts. Don't do it to minus 80 like I have. Make sure you do it to till minus 50. After that, what you have to do is click on this other thing, CPU cache, and then click on do the same thing. Set it to minus 50, and then make sure that OK save voltages immediately is checked, and click OK. So that's how all of this works. So if this video helped you, make sure to like and subscribe. If you have any problems, make sure to comment in the comment, and I'll be able to respond to all of your comments because it's not a big channel. I can respond to the comments. So yeah, if it helps you, like and subscribe.